Lobster Thermidor. Yield 6 servings. 6 frozen African lobster tails, 2 tablespoons margarine, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 egg, 1½ teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper, 1/4 teaspoon celery salt, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, half teaspoon prepared mustard, 1/4 cup cream, 1 cup vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons margarine, ½ cup parmesan cheese, 3/4 cup club cracker crumbs. Cook frozen lobster tails according to directions on package. Remove meat. Save shells to use as garnish. Melt margarine. Stir in flour, egg, seasoning, and cream. Then add all of the vegetable stock slowly, blending and stirring carefully to prevent lumping. Vegetable stock is liquid saved from canned vegetables or from cooking fresh vegetables. Store in jars in refrigerator. Cook sauce in double boiler until smooth and thick, stirring constantly. Shred lobster meat and sprinkle with lemon juice. Combine meat and sauce, mixing well together and heating until mixture bubbles up for 3 minutes. Arrange lobster shells pulling open around inside of greased 1½ quart glass baking dish. Pour in lobster mixture, letting the pink shells extend over like a rim around the edge. Saute Parmesan cheese and fine club cracker crumbs in margarine and spread over top of lobster. Place under broiler for about 15 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or until top is a golden brown, crisp and crusty. Garnish with lemon wedges and sprigs of parsley.